Hey, Demetria Davenport here, the massage doctor. Today I want to share with you guys about sanitizing and disinfecting using disinfecting wipes. I have some Lysol disinfectant wipes here. They kill 99.9% of viruses and germs. So when you're sanitizing and disinfecting, it's a time frame in there, so it's a difference between the two. So to sanitize and or disinfect pre-clean surface, use enough fresh wipes to thoroughly wet surface. Surface must remain wet the entire contact time. So to sanitize something, if you're sanitizing something, allow to remain wet for 30 seconds. So just say if you're disinfecting your phone, guys, and you're wiping your phone off, which we all should, because a lot of germs are on our phone because we touch a lot of stuff. Just say you sanitize your phone, allow it to remain wet for 30 seconds. Then to disinfect the area, allow to remain wet for 10 minutes. So if you're going to wipe off your kitchen counter, you're going to wipe it off and allow it with the disinfectant wipe, allow it to stay wet for 10 minutes to disinfect. But if you're going to use it on food surfaces, if you have disinfect your and or sanitize your kitchen counter with this Lysol wipe, and you're going to be cutting up some chicken or something like that, follow up. The instruction says to follow up and use some water, but I would use some soap and water and go behind and wash to make sure there's no film from the wipe on there so it won't get on your meat. And then also you can use, it says to use your wipes on non-porous surfaces. So what that means, you want to use your disinfectant wipes on a smooth surface, because if you use it on a rough surface, it's going to tear, and then you get the little fibers from the wipes on the surface that you're wiping. So you want to make sure that you're using your wipes on a smooth surface. Okay? And then what you can use the wipes for, either you're going to disinfect and or you can sanitize things in your household, such as sinks, garbage cans, refrigerator, exterior counters, in the bathroom. You can use it on the bathtub, toilet seats, showers, or faucets. And in the office, you can use on computers, telephones, doorknobs, and light switch. So guys, if you're doing any of these, either you can sanitize and let it stay wet for 30 seconds, and or if you want to disinfect it, you let the area that you wipe down, let it stay wet for 10 minutes and let it air dry. Guys, so I hope this information was very helpful to you guys. And when you're buying your disinfectant wipes, make sure you read the back label to see how long does it take for an area to sanitize. It could take 3 minutes to sanitize, or it could take 5 minutes to disinfect. It depends on the brand of disinfectant wipes that you guys buy. So I hope this information was very helpful to you guys. The massage doctor sign out. Mwah! Love you. Bye.